Hello everyone. The Keysight B2900 Precision Benchtop Instrument Family provides best-in-class source and measurement performance along with other powerful capabilities. It covers broad applications from research and education to industrial development, production test, and automated manufacturing. The family currently consists of Precision Source Measure Units, SMUs, Precision Low Noise Power Sources, and femto-picoamp meters and electrometers, high-resistance meters. These units work equally well as standalone or system components. Today, I'd like to share with you some application examples for the B2900 Precision Instrument family. The Keysight B2900 Precision Benchtop Instrument family includes several different source and measurement solutions. The B2900A series of Precision Source Measure Units, SMU, is one group of instruments. The B2900A series of SMUs can source voltage with wide coverage, up to plus and minus 210 volts, and current up to plus and minus 3 amps DC or plus and minus 10.5 amps pulsed, although it obviously cannot source both maximum output voltage and maximum current at the same time. The range should be wide enough to cover all your test requirements for a variety of devices. The SMUs can source and measure current with 10 femtoamp resolution and voltage with 100 nanovolt resolution. That helps you make a precise characterization of devices and materials. The B2900A series of SMU has an interactive graphical user interface, GUI, on its 4.3-inch color LCD display. Both voltage and current on all channels can be displayed numerically and simultaneously. The B2900A series of SMU solves many common issues associated with conventional SMUs and helps you quickly test, debug, and accurately characterize a wide range of devices at a low price. A resistance measurement is a fundamental way to characterize materials, electronic devices, and circuits. While digital multimeters, DMMs, are commonly used to make resistance measurements, and Keysight sells a bunch of DMMs in different form factors, the B2900A series of SMU is the best solution to measure a wide range of resistance from subohms to gigaohms accurately. Why? Because the B2900A series of SMU can make a wide range of resistance measurements. The B2900A covers currents from 10 femtoamps to 3 amps DC, 10.5 amps pulsed, and voltages from 100 nanovolts to 210 volts, which makes it possible to make a wide range of resistance measurements from subohms to gigaohms as compared with DMMs. The B2900A also provides a variety of functions to ensure the measurement accuracy. A basic 2-wire connection is the most common configuration used for resistance measurements. However, for very low resistance measurements where the residual lead resistance is comparable to the DUT resistance, a 2-wire measurement will produce erroneous results. A 4-wire connection configuration, remote sensing, can be used to eliminate this error. The B2900A series of SMU supports both 2-wire and 4-wire connections. Since the voltage drop across the DUT is small when measuring low resistances, the effects of the offset and EMF voltages are not negligible. However, when the resistance compensation function of the B2900A is enabled, the instrument will automatically make a 2-point measurement and calculate the true value of the resistance. Pulsed operation mode prevents device self-heating caused by power dissipation from distorting the measurement results. Leakage currents in the cables and test fixturing can cause significant measurement errors, especially when measuring large resistances where the measurement current is small. A built-in guard function maintains the guard terminal at the same voltage potential as the high force line, which prevents current from leaking into the cable and surrounding measurement path. Finally, the B2900A series offers flexible test conditions. It supports voltage and current output modes. Its manual measurement mode provides optional current or voltage settings to suppress self-heating caused by power dissipation. You can use arbitrary test currents up to 3 amps and voltages up to 200 volts. Those make the B2900A series of SMU the best solution to measure a wide range of resistance from sub-ohms to giga-ohms accurately. I've listed application notes on this slide for more detail. The IV, or current voltage characterization of transistors, generally requires applying different voltages and currents with the constant or the sweep condition to the gate and the drain terminals, respectively. The B2900A series of SMU simplifies multi-channel current voltage measurement tasks and improves characterization efficiency. How? To start, the B2900A series of SMU has the capability to characterize a variety of transistors precisely. An SMU combines a current source, a voltage source, a current meter, and a voltage meter, along with the capability to switch easily between these various functions into a single instrument. This means it can evaluate the current voltage characteristics of devices across all 4 measurement quadrants without complicated wiring and additional equipment. Its 6.5-digit source and measurement resolution makes it possible to achieve 10 femtoamp or 100 nanovolt minimum resolution, which helps with precise characterization. The B2900A covers voltages up to 210 volts and currents up to 3 amps DC, 10.5 amps pulsed, which enables it to provide wider coverage for testing a variety of transistors. Secondly, the B2900A series of SMU easily performs multi-channel sweep measurements. It has a built-in sweep function which supports all of the standard sweep parameters, such as the start value, stop value, number of steps, etc. You don't need to create each step by setting constant source voltage or current one by one. In the 2-channel models, the channels are synchronized to get 3-terminal transistor characteristics, such as LDVD, LDVG, LCVC curves. Finally, the B2900A series of SMU helps you improve productivity for test, debug, and characterization. It has the intuitive, graphical user interface, which makes it easy to quickly set up, make, and display sweep measurements. It also comes with a range of software control options. One option, the Easy Expert Group Plus software, provides a powerful solution for detailed characterization and analysis of transistors. It has been widely used in the industry and has become the standard with the semiconductor parameter analyzer. Again, please refer to the application notes shown in this slide for more detail. The light current voltage LIV sweep test is a fundamental measurement to determine the operating characteristics of a laser diode LD. In the LIV test, current applied to the laser diode is swept, and the intensity of the emitted light is measured using a photodetector. So, from an electrical point of view, you need to measure the photodetector current with sweeping the laser diode drive current. Keysight's B2900A series of SMU improves the LIV test speed with a fast and quiet measurement. First, the B2900A series of SMU improves throughput of the LIV test in production test. It possesses the fastest sweep measurement speed of any SMU in its class. Its 6.5-digit high-resolution and low-noise floor also help you get accurate and stable test results with shorter measurement time. Since the LIV test requires measurement of more than 1,000 points per sweep to evaluate linearity, sweep speed, resolution, and noise are the key factors to improve the throughput. It is also important to make the measurement time as short as possible to prevent self-heating from affecting the measurement results. Secondly, the B2900A series of SMU makes it easy to perform multi-channel sweep measurements. As mentioned before, the B2900A has a built-in sweep function which supports all of the standard sweep parameters, so you don't need to create each step one by one. Also, you have the option of synchronized channels for LIV. Also, as mentioned before, the B2900A series of SMU helps you improve productivity with its intuitive graphical user interface and range of software control options. Please refer to the application note shown in this slide for more detail. There are ongoing efforts to develop photovoltaic solar cells that operate more efficiently and at a lower cost. Keysight's B2900A series of SMU simplifies the current voltage characterization of photovoltaic cells to improve efficiency while also improving accuracy. First of all, the B2900A series of SMU provides better measurement performance with less measurement error. As mentioned before, an SMU combines the multiple capabilities into a single instrument, which enables it to more efficiently evaluate the current voltage characteristics of devices across all 4 measurement quadrants. And it offers 6.5-digit source and measurement resolution for 10 femtoamp or 100 nanovolt minimum resolution, which helps you make a precise characterization. Secondly, the B2900A helps you characterize the details in the region of interest easily. Its built-in list sweep capability allows you to specify widely spaced steps in regions where the device characteristics are stable, and closely spaced steps in regions of special interest such as the maximum power point. Again, the B2900A helps you improve productivity with its intuitive graphical user interface and range of software control options. EasyExpert Groove Plus software offers a powerful solution for detailed characterization and analysis of photovoltaic cells. It supports efficient and repeatable characterization across the entire characterization process, from measurement setup and execution to analysis and data management. Please refer to the application note shown in this slide for more detail. LEDs are energy efficient and durable, and they are now widely used in a variety of applications such as lighting, display panels, etc. This has spawned research into new types of LEDs with even higher energy efficiencies and properties tailored for specific applications. Keysight's B2900A series of SMU simplifies complex current voltage measurement tasks and improves characterization efficiency. First, the B2900A series of SMU has the capability to characterize a variety of diodes precisely. As mentioned before, it efficiently measures the current voltage characteristics of devices across all 4 measurement quadrants at 6.5-digit source and measurement resolution and 10 femtoamp or 100 nanovolt minimum resolution for precise characterization. The B2900A covers voltages up to 210 volts and currents up to 3 amps DC, 10.5 amps pulsed, which enables it to provide wider coverage for testing a variety of diodes. The built-in sweep function helps you efficiently create sweeps and a range of software control options, helps you choose the solution that best fits your particular requirement, and improves productivity for test, debug, and characterization. Please refer to the application notes shown in this slide for more detail. The field of electrochemistry, a combination of electrical and chemical energy, is attracting investment in energy-focused research areas such as batteries, capacitors, energy storage devices, photovoltaics, corrosion, hydrogen cells, electrochemical sensors, etc. A common measurement technique in electrochemistry is cyclic voltammetry, CV, which studies the redox and transport properties in an electrolyte solution. Keysight's B2900A series is well suited for electrochemical measurements with integrated current voltage, IV source, and measurement capabilities. First, the B2900A series of SMU has the capability to measure electrochemical currents precisely. In addition to the benefits described before, its 6.5-digit source and measurement resolution and 10 femtoamp minimum measurement resolution enables even small electrode systems with low electrochemical currents to be accurately measured. The B2900A series of SMU has built-in sweep capability, which makes it easy to output required voltage waveforms. Its accurate timing control capability with 10 microsecond resolution ensures the source and measurement timing strictly and accurately. Please refer to the application note shown in this slide for more detail. Traditionally, evaluating ICs and electronic components required multiple instruments, such as a digital multimeter, a power supply, and an electronic load. This meant that you would need to change the wiring for each measurement parameter. Keysight's B2900A series of SMU improves benchtop DC measurement efficiency for IC and electronic component evaluation. In addition to the other benefits mentioned before, the B2900A supports 4-wire connection, which eliminates cable resistance effects for measurements using high current. Also, the channels in the 2-channel models can work with each other synchronously to make 2-port measurements such as load regulation, load transient response, etc. Please refer to the application briefs shown in this slide for more detail. The Keysight B2960A 6.5-digit low-noise power source is another member of the B2900 family. The B2960A series can precisely source voltage with wide coverage up to plus and minus 210 volts and current up to plus and minus 3 amps DC or plus and minus 10.5 amps pulsed with 6.5-digit resolution, although the units cannot source both maximum output voltage and maximum current at the same time. This is wide enough to cover the requirements for testing a variety of devices. The noise performance of conventional power supplies is about 100 microvolts RMS or 1 millivolt RMS, even if they are linear power supplies. The B2960A series surpasses that to as low as 10 microvolts RMS with optional filters. That's 10 to 100 times better than conventional power supplies. We offer a choice of 3 external filters so that you can select the one that best meets your needs. In addition, the B2960A series has a precise and wide-range arbitrary waveform generation function and a time-domain voltage-current waveform viewer. Conventional power supplies don't usually come with extra source functions. The Keysight B2960A series can solve issues with conventional power supplies and help you test a variety of devices at modest prices. The following slides give some application examples where the B2960A provides specific benefits. An output signal frequency of voltage-controlled oscillator VCO is controlled by the DC voltage at its tuning port. VCOs are extremely sensitive to DC source noise, so a low-noise DC source is crucial for accurate VCO characterization. Keysight's B2960A low-noise power source with external filter options can reveal true characteristics of voltage-controlled oscillators. With the B2960A, it is possible to minimize its voltage noise using the dedicated external filters. We offer 2 ultra-low noise filters. One is a high-current, ultra-low noise filter, and the other is an ultra-low noise filter. Both of them make it possible to achieve 10 microvolt RMS in the frequency range of 10 Hz to 20 MHz, and 1 nanovolt RMS over square root Hertz at 10 kHz. Generally, a noise density between 1 nanovolt RMS over square root Hertz to 10 nanovolt RMS over square root Hertz at 10 kHz is desirable for optimal VCO characterization. Secondly, the B2960A series with its external filters can expand maximum current output. A DC control voltage source output built into Keysight's E5052B signal source analyzer is commonly used for the characterization. However, its output current is limited to 20 milliamps. The B2960A's high current ultra-low noise filter allows it to source voltage up to 21 volts and current up to 500 milliamps. The ultra-low noise filter allows the B2960A series to source voltage up to 42 volts and current up to 105 milliamps. Finally, the B2960A series helps you to improve measurement flexibility as it is a standalone, low-noise power supply. Its benchtop form factor makes it easy to use it for additional ports of the VCO devices, to share among the multiple test systems, and to combine it with other instruments such as spectrum analyzers, frequency counters, etc. Please refer to the application briefs shown in this slide for more detail. As I mentioned before, resistance measurements are one of the most commonly performed tests to characterize electrical device properties. Very small resistance measurements require a very precise, low-level current source to prevent device self-heating or device damage during testing. Keysight's B2960A series, combined with a nanovoltmeter, is the best solution to measure a wide range of low resistance down to sub-milliohms accurately. First, the B2960A series can expand the nanovoltmeter's resistance measurement capability. Generally, the test current of the nanovoltmeter is fixed and the range of the resistance measurements is limited. However, the B2960A series' wide coverage of test currents up to 3 amps DC enables a wide range of low resistance measurements down to sub-milliohm. Secondly, the B2960A series helps you to improve measurements by using flexible test current to keep the measurement voltage as large as possible to ensure the measurement accuracy. At the same time, the test current can be optimized to suppress device self-heating or device damage caused by power dissipation during testing. It is also possible to generate alternating polarity test currents to minimize the effects of thermal electromotive force errors. Please refer to the application notes shown on this slide for more detail. A variety of new materials are being developed and studied in the area of physics, chemistry, and biotechnology. The physical properties of these materials must be evaluated electrically with highly stable and precise current or voltage outputs. Keysight's B2960A series provides highly stable current voltage sources, ideal for evaluating the physical properties of materials and many types of samples. The highly stable and precise outputs of the B2960A series ensure that you can detect all tiny signal variations emanating from materials under test. First, it can output very stable and clean current and voltage, with ranges of nanoamps to 10 amps and microvolts to 210 volts. Second, the B2960A series has the capability to source not only DC signals, but also sinusoid, pulse, and ramp waveforms in the frequency range of 1 MHz to 10 kHz. Third, it can maintain a stable output even if the state of the sample changes. Finally, the B2960A series has the ability to monitor its output accurately at high speed with 0.02% accuracy and 10 microsecond resolution, which eliminates the need for an additional ammeter or voltmeter to ensure the actual output. Those features make the B2960A series ideal for evaluating the physical properties of materials and many types of samples in applications such as material science, electrochemical, chemical material, organic material device, and biosensing. Final verification, validation, and debug of an electronic circuit requires a voltage source or current source. Keysight's B2960A series simplifies electronic circuit final verification, validation, and debug with its high-speed current voltage source. The B2960A provides a convenient, highly accurate, and stable waveform generation function with 0.02% basic accuracy in the frequency range of 1 MHz to 10 kHz. There are 3 major benefits to using the B2960A series as a voltage source or current source. First, the B2960A series enhances validation accuracy. It offers higher accuracy, higher stability, and much lower noise than conventional power supplies to significantly improve measurement results. The arbitrary waveform generation function helps you emulate signal variations to the circuit as it switches on and off. Secondly, the B2960A can eliminate the need to create custom circuits for validation. The B2960A series' low noise performance removes the need for an external filter circuit and any stabilizing circuit. In addition, it is not necessary to develop a circuit to source constant current, because current source mode is one of its basic functions. Thirdly, the B2960A helps you improve test efficiency. Since the B2960A monitors current or voltage, it eliminates the need for an additional meter. In addition, it can monitor its own output, eliminating the need for a DMM. The B2960A can also be connected to the circuit output and operate as an electronic load. The B2960A series simplifies electronic circuit final verification, validation, and debug, and gives you those benefits. Another group of instruments under the Keysight B2900 Precision Benchtop instrument family is the Keysight B2980A series, femtopicoamp meters, and electrometer high-resistance meters. The B2980A femtopicoamp meter and electrometer offers best-in-class current ranges from 2 picoamps to 20 milliamps. Its internal voltage source can output voltage up to 1000 volts. This ensures accurate 0.01 femtoamp and 10 petaohm measurement capabilities. It also has an interactive graphical user interface GUI on its 4.3-inch color LCD display that allows quantities to be displayed not only numerically but also graphically. This helps with quick benchtop testing, debug, and characterization. Battery-operated models are available to help you eliminate AC power line noise as a source of measurement error, and a test setup integrity checker software option is available to help ensure that cables are working correctly. The Keysight B2980A series can solve issues with sensitive measurements and help you confidently measure down to 0.01 femtoamps and up to 10 petaohms at a low price. Surface resistivity and volume resistivity measure the resisting power of a specified material or property against the flow of an electric current. Keysight's B2980A series simplifies the surface and volume resistivity characterization of insulating materials. The B2980A can make a very accurate high-resistance measurement. Its unmatched current measurement resolution of 10 attoamps and a built-in 1000 volt voltage source allows you to measure resistances of up to 10 petaohms. Its guard function prevents current from leaking into the cable and the surrounding measurement path. Current leakage in cables and test fixtures can cause significant measurement errors, especially when measuring large resistances, more than 1 gigaohm, where the measurement current is small, less than 1 nanoamp. In this case, a guarding technique is required to make an accurate measurement. Some other features offered for resistivity tests include the B2980A's ability to record humidity and temperature affecting resistivity measurements along with resistance measurement data. It has a timer-based triggering capability to help you specify exactly what time to make a measurement after applying stimulus. The resistivity of insulating materials typically does not converge to a stable value quickly, which means that any resistivity specification has to state at what time the resistivity measurement should take place. In addition, a trend graph of the resistivity versus time can be plotted on its display to view resistivity changes up until the point at which the final resistivity value is recorded. Those enable the B2980A series to simplify the surface and volume resistivity characterization of insulating materials. Please refer to the application note shown in this slide for more detail. To summarize, the Keysight B2900 Precision Benchtop instrument family provides best-in-class source and measurement performance along with other powerful capabilities. It addresses a broad range of applications from research and education to industrial development, production test, and automated manufacturing. The family consists of precision source measure units, SMUs, precision low noise power sources, and femtopicoamp meters and electrometer high resistance meters. These units work equally well as standalone or system components. The B2900A Precision Source Measure Unit SMU helps you quickly debug and accurately characterize a wide range of devices, better than conventional SMUs at a low price. It can be used for a variety of applications, such as resistance measurements of materials, characterization of transistors, photovoltaic cells, diodes, LIV test for laser diodes, electrochemistry 3-electrode measurements, and benchtop evaluation of ICs and electronic components. The Keysight B2960A 6.5-digit low-noise power source helps you test a variety of devices better than conventional power supplies at a low price. It can be used for voltage-controlled oscillator characterizations, low resistance measurements, physics, chemistry, and biotechnology evaluations, and electronic circuit final verifications, validations, and debugs. The Keysight B2980A femtopicoamp meter and electrometer high-resistance meter can solve issues with sensitive measurements and help you confidently measure down to 0.01 femtoamps and up to 10 petaohms at modest prices. It can be used for sensitive measurements such as volume and surface resistivity measurements. Thank you for giving us time to introduce the application examples using the Keysight B2900 Precision Instrument family. At last you have a solution. So now I will open up the question and answer session.